Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car pressure washers for car cleaning that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Karcher Vehicle Wash and Wax. This is not a pressure washer itself, but a highly concentrated detergent designed to be used with pressure washers. Priced at an incredibly budget-friendly $15.99, this product is perfect for users who already own a pressure washer and are looking for an effective cleaning solution. Its universal compatibility ensures that it works seamlessly with most consumer-grade gas and electric pressure washers. One of its standout features is that a single quart of this detergent can make up to 20 gallons of cleaner, which provides excellent value for long-term use. In terms of design and build, the Karcher detergent comes in a compact, eco-friendly liquid form with a fresh scent. It's versatile enough to clean not only cars, but also trucks, boats, RVs, and even heavy equipment. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. The formula is specially designed to cut through dirt and grime, leaving surfaces spotless and with a subtle wax shine. For car enthusiasts or homeowners tackling outdoor cleaning tasks, this detergent is a great addition to your pressure washer setup. While it's an affordable option, it does have its limitations. It doesn't include any hardware or accessories, so users will need to pair it with an existing pressure washer. In addition, it's not ideal for those seeking an all-in-one solution, but if you're on a tight budget and need a cost-effective detergent, the Karcher Vehicle Wash and Wax is a great choice. Pros include its affordability, concentration, and compatibility. Cons are its reliance on an external pressure washer and lack of premium features. At number 4, we have the GDHXW X887 high-pressure washer gun with foam cannon. This product is a versatile pressure washer accessory that pairs with an existing pressure washer. With a maximum pressure of 5,000 psi, it's one of the most powerful options on this list, making it ideal for tackling stubborn dirt and grime on cars, driveways, roofs, and more. It features a brass foam lance core for durability, as well as a solid brass body for a premium feel. The adjustable nozzle allows users to customize the spray pattern and foam dispensing amount, giving you full control over your cleaning process. The GDHXW X887 also comes with 7 different spray angle nozzles, ranging from 0 degrees to 65 degrees, catering to everything from precise cleaning to wide area coverage. The inclusion of 2 pressure washer hose adapters ensures compatibility with various hose connector types, making this product versatile for most setups. However, it's important to note that the pressure washer gun and foam cannon are accessories, meaning you'll need a separate pressure washer to make it work. The ergonomic handle design reduces arm strain, making it comfortable for extended use. On the downside, the price is not readily available, which might make it difficult for consumers to gauge its value. Additionally, the reliance on an external pressure washer might not appeal to those looking for a standalone solution. Pros include its high pressure capability, durable build, and wide range of nozzle options. Cons are its dependence on a separate pressure washer and the lack of pricing transparency. Overall, this is a strong contender for users who already own a pressure washer and need an accessory to enhance its performance. Coming in at number 3 is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. This is another accessory designed to work with pressure washers, offering excellent foam generation capabilities for car detailing enthusiasts. With a maximum operating pressure of 3,000 psi and a 1-liter container capacity, this foam cannon is perfect for small to medium cleaning tasks like washing your car, motorcycle, or even outdoor surfaces. Its adjustable nozzle lets you control the foam thickness and spray pattern, giving you complete flexibility depending on your cleaning needs. The 5 included nozzle tips offer varying spray angles, ranging from narrow to wide, making it suitable for different applications. The Tool Daily Foam Cannon is built using high-quality brass and stainless steel, ensuring durability and a premium feel. The stainless steel exterior finish adds an elegant touch, while the compact design makes it easy to store and transport. This product is best known for its ease of use. Simply fill the container with soap and water, connect it to your pressure washer, and adjust the settings to your preference. It's a great option for those who already own a pressure washer gun or wand, as it integrates seamlessly via its quick connect fitting. On the downside, this foam cannon isn't compatible with garden hoses or faucets, so users must have a compatible pressure washer to use it. Additionally, its reliance on external equipment means it's not suitable for those seeking an all-in-one cleaning solution. Pros include its adjustable settings, durable construction, and versatile nozzle options. Cons are its dependency on a pressure washer and lack of standalone functionality. Overall, the Tool Daily Foam Cannon is an excellent choice for DIY car detailing and light-duty cleaning projects. At number 2, we have the Steelite Electric Pressure Washer. This is a full-fledged pressure washer that packs impressive performance at a mid-range price point of $79.99. With a maximum flow rate of 2.5 GPM and 2,000 PSI of pressure, this machine can handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from washing your car to cleaning driveways, patios, and outdoor furniture. It comes with 4 Quick Connect brass nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and an external foam cannon, allowing you to switch between different cleaning modes effortlessly. The foam cannon delivers dense foam for deep cleaning, making it ideal for car enthusiasts. The Steelite pressure washer is built with reinforced materials for durability, and its brass connections ensure a good seal to prevent leakage. The high-strength, steel-reinforced pressure hose adds durability, while the compact design makes it easy to store. It's equipped with smooth, durable wheels for easy movement and a safety lock on the wand to prevent accidental operation. Additionally, it can draw water from both a faucet and a bucket, increasing its versatility. One downside is that it's slightly heavier at 18.56 pounds, which might make it less portable for some users. However, its anti-dumping design ensures stability during use. Pros include its powerful performance, durable construction, and multiple cleaning modes. Cons are its weight and slightly limited portability. If you're looking for a reliable electric pressure washer at a reasonable price, the Steelite is a fantastic option. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer. This premium product delivers exceptional performance with a maximum pressure of 2100 psi and a max flow rate of 1.76 GPM. Priced at $89.99, it's the most expensive option on our list, but it justifies its price with superior features and build quality. The EPX 3050 is perfect for deep cleaning tasks on a variety of surfaces, including decks, sidewalks, fences, cars, and even patio furniture. It comes with a foam cannon and 2 Quick Connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees for versatile cleaning applications. The design of the EPX 3050 is both compact and user-friendly. Its 26-inch low-profile construction, 5-inch never-flat wheels, and 35-foot GFCI cord make it easy to maneuver and store. The abrasion-resistant 20-foot Superflex hose adds durability, while the lightweight high-pressure spray gun and wand provide comfort during extended use. The axial pump is maintenance-free and offers reliable performance, while the auto-stop function improves energy efficiency. Plus, all Westinghouse pressure washers are functionally tested at the factory to ensure quality. On the downside, its higher price point might be a barrier for budget-conscious buyers. However, its 2-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support add peace of mind. Pros include its powerful performance, durable design, and user-friendly features. Cons are its premium price and limited nozzle variety compared to other models. If you want the best of the best for car cleaning and beyond, the Westinghouse EPX 3050 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.